Hi, I'm Tom from Contact Solar. As you know, we've got a dedicated full team here to support you with any technical enquiries you may have for your solar PV and battery storage system. However, SunSynk have just brought out a really good customer feature, which is a 24/7 chat feature within the application. Some of these common inquiries can be how to set battery discharge times, how to connect your dongle to the Wi-Fi, or even just any general generation questions that you may have. In the SunSynk app, you'll see the Me button in the bottom right hand corner. Once clicked, please follow the application centre. In here, you'll be able to see the customer support feature from SunSynk. Once you're in the customer support feature within the SunSynk app, you'll be able to see the Start Chat button in green at the top left hand corner of the screen. Once you've submitted your inquiry to the SunSynk team, one of their highly trained technical support staff will respond to your inquiry as soon as possible. On our website, we have a section under support videos where you can find our lead technical, Joseph Dawson, explaining some of these commonly frequently asked questions. Here at Contact Solar, we're dedicated to giving 5-star customer service, and we really pride ourselves on our after sales. If you have any further inquiries or need any further help with your system, don't hesitate to contact us.